At our most mortal peril, we live in realms of pretense about our beastly ways, denying the bloody mayhem of birthing and dying, the connubial conflagration of conception, the mundane murder that cooking and eating has time out of mind entailed, the inevitable risk and filth of digestion and elimination. So long as blood pours from our punctures, sleep descends willy-nilly on the overworked and overstressed, the bellows of our lungs thrill to fill with clean air and fight for oxygen when smoky pollution fills the atmosphere. Any initiation of consciousness about ourselves must flow first and foremost, without any exception, from acknowledging, understanding, honoring, and serving our essential animality. The wild hares and wily coyotes, the ravenous wolves and skittish sheep, the monkeys and primates and other nearer cousins that metaphorically and in some sense actually live inside every human organism, no matter the sense of accomplishment and aplomb and rational feeling that, especially among those who consider themselves evolved, characterizes people who hold themselves out as separate from the animal natures that in fact are the foundation for all Homo sapiens life.